When you ask Exu or Pombagira for help, it's important to understand that things won't happen exactly on your timeline. Sometimes you might feel anxious, hoping that everything will change quickly, but the truth is that these entities work in a different way. They start working from the inside out, which means that transformation happens first within you, in your thoughts, attitudes, and in the way you view life. Instead of placing all responsibility on the entities, think about what you can do to make your requests come true. Exu and Pombagira can open the paths, but you are the one who must walk them. That's why it's important to act, make decisions, and be proactive. When you move, the universe moves with you, and the results begin to appear. If you focus on your growth and keep moving forward, even in the most challenging moments, you will notice that internal changes begin to appear faster than you expected. The key is not to lose sight of your goal, keep your mind strong, and trust the process. Have you started this journey yet? Comment below your experiences and don't forget to leave your like if this content helped you. The most important thing is to have patience, because change doesn't show up right away in the things around you. It starts slowly inside of you, and over time, the external things will adjust as well. That's why, when you make a request, know that you are planting a seed. It will grow within you, and only then will it start to appear in the outside world. Trust the process and believe that everything happens at the right time. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to seek spiritual clarity and understand what needs to change in your life, I have an easy ritual to teach you. Just take a white candle and a glass of water. The candle will bring light to your doubts, and the water will purify and bring calm. When you light the candle, make your request with all your faith, asking Exu and Pombagira to enlighten your path and show you what needs to be transformed within you. Exu and Pombagira are entities that help us see the strength we have within. They don't just come to fulfill our immediate desires or wishes, but to awaken our true inner strength. You know that power you sometimes don't even realize you have? Well, Exu and Pombagira help bring that to the surface, showing you that you are capable of much more than you imagine. If you're seeking clarity and want to understand what needs to be changed in your life, a simple ritual can help. Take a white candle and a glass of water and choose a peaceful place to make your request. The white candle represents light and peace, while the water symbolizes purity and clarity. When you light the candle, make your request with faith, asking Exu and Pombagira to enlighten you and show you what needs to be transformed within you. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's very important for me to know that you're here seeking growth, transformation, and new ways of seeing life. Everything said in this video was designed to help you connect with your inner strength and understand that the power of change lies within you. No matter how difficult things may seem, there's always a way to find solutions and move forward. But to do that, they also reveal what you need to improve or change within yourself. Many times, what seems like an obstacle is actually an opportunity for growth. They show us the way, but it's up to us to move forward, learn, and evolve. Transformation begins when we look inside and understand that internal changes are the most powerful. This ritual is very powerful, even though it's simple. The strength lies in the intention you put into it. As the candle burns, think about what you want to clarify in your mind and life. Sometimes the answers are already inside us. We just need a moment of peace to see them. Take this time to connect with your spirituality and allow the changes to start from within. And of course, if this ritual helped you, leave a comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like and sometimes it feels like the change you want so badly takes forever to happen, right? This can cause anxiety, but it's important to understand that transformation only happens when you're truly ready for it. There's no use in trying to rush the process. Exu and Pombagira know the right moment for everything, which is why trusting this process is essential. Click on the thumbs up so I know you enjoyed this content. Exu and Pombagira don't want to see you playing the victim in situations. They know that life can be hard, but they also believe in your strength and ability to overcome any challenge. Instead of complaining, they expect you to stand up, lift your head, and face your problems with courage and determination. No matter how tough things get, the solution always starts with the first step, and you are the one who needs to take that step. It's like planting a seed. You take care of it, water it, but you know that you need to wait for the right time for it to grow and bear fruit. The same thing happens with the changes in your life. They will appear when you are ready to handle them. Trust is the key. Have faith that everything is moving in the right direction, and at the right time, you will see the results. They teach that even in the most complicated moments, it's possible to find strength within yourself. So instead of feeling defeated, face your difficulties as opportunities for growth. If you act like a victim, you'll stay stuck. But if you choose to act with strength, you'll find the way to win. So, what do you do to face your challenges? When you ask Exu and Pombagira for help, the most powerful thing you can do is not ask for everything around you to change overnight. The true strength lies in asking for wisdom so you can understand what needs to change within you. Often we get so focused on wanting external things to change quickly that we forget that the greatest changes come from within. Spiritual transformation can happen much faster than you imagine, even faster than the years of pain and suffering you may have accumulated over your life. But for that to happen, you need two essential things: focus and perseverance. There's no point in waiting for change if you aren't completely focused on what you want to achieve and determined not to give up, even when the path seems difficult. Self-knowledge is a powerful key. Exu and Pombagira help you to see what is hidden inside you, showing which attitudes and thoughts need to be transformed. When you understand this, external changes happen in a more natural and lasting way. The path to the greatest transformations begins within you, and asking for that clarity is the first step. Exu and Pombagira won't just perform miracles for you while you wait with crossed arms. They work through you, using your strength, your actions, and your decisions for transformation to happen. True change doesn't come from the outside. It starts inside you, in your willingness to improve and face your own challenges. If you're not willing to transform, the things around you won't change either. When you ask something of Exu or Pombagira, it's not enough to simply wait for everything to work out on its own. It's like planting a seed. You need to water it, care for it, and act so that it grows. It's no use just asking for spiritual help if you're not doing your part. Conscious action is fundamental for things to truly change in your life. What Exu and Pombagira expect from you is that you remain open to this transformation, that you take responsibility for your life and your choices. They can open the paths, but it's you who needs to walk them. How much are you willing to change? That will determine how far you'll go on your journey of growth and evolution. This ritual is very simple but powerful. The secret lies in intention. As the candle burns and the water sits beside you, focus on what you want to clarify in your mind and life. Many times, the answers are already within us. We just need a little silence and focus to hear them. Use this moment to connect with your spirituality and open your mind to the changes that need to happen. And if this video touched your heart, know that all you have to do is ask, and I'll be more than happy to make more content for you. I'm here to share more ideas, to help you on your journey, and to give you that push you need. Each step on the path of evolution is important, and I'm thrilled to be part of that with you. Let's go together, always ready to grow and learn more.